Right now, your money is being stolen. And the thief? It's not a hacker, not even a scammer. It's inflation. If you are not protecting yourself, you could lose thousands without even realizing it. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how inflation works, why it is secretly draining your bank account, and most importantly, how to fight them. Now let's talk about inflation. Inflation is when prices rise over time, making your money worth less. Think about it 20 years ago. A gallon of milk cost $2. Now, it's $4 or more. That's inflation in action. But here is what most people don't realize. Inflation is not just about prices going up. It's about your money losing power. If inflation is 5% and your saving only earns 1% interest, you are losing about 4% per year. Do you know what causes inflation? There are three main drivers of inflation, and understanding them is key to protecting yourself. First one is too much money printing. When government prints more money, like during COVID stimulus, each dollar becomes less valuable. The second main reason is supply and demand imbalance. If demand skyrockets, like for houses or cars, but supply can't keep up, prices surge. And the third one is wage price spiral. When workers demand higher pay, businesses raise price to compensate, and the cycle continues. The scary part, once inflation gets out of control, it's hard to stop. Just look at the 1970s. Now let's talk about the most important point, like how inflation steals from you. Here is the truth. Inflation is a tax on your savings. If you are keeping cash under your mattress or in low interest account, you are losing. $10,000 today will be only worth $7,400 in 10 years if inflation averages 3%. And if you think your salary rises save you, think again. Most people's wages don't keep up with inflation. Now for the good news, you are not helpless. Here is how to protect and even grow your money despite inflation. First of all, you need to invest in inflation-resistant assets. Stock, especially dividend stocks, real estate, and commodities like gold tend to outpace inflation over time. Secondly, you need to own hard assets. Things like land, rental properties, or even Bitcoin for some diversification can act as hedges. Then you need to earn higher yields. High-yield saving accounts, treasury, inflation-protected securities, or even CDs can help offset losses. You also need to increase your income. Side hustles, skill upgrades, or investing in yourself can help you out-earn inflation. The bottom line? Don't just save money, make sure it's working for you. If this video opened your eyes, smash the like button. It helps more people to see it. And subscribe because next week I am breaking down the best investments to crush inflation in 2025. And hey, if you're still keeping all your money in 0.01% interest saving accounts, what are you waiting for? Fix it now.